All right, guys, what's going on? T Torres back here for another video. So today we have the SPE Lab intercooler for the 5.9 Cummins. This is a 2003. This kit, I chose not to get different charge pipes, but you will need to get 3.5 inch to a 3-inch coupler to fit the factory intercooler boots. And SPE Labs was gracious enough to give me a coupon code. Torres15 will save you 15% site-wide. And then if you look over here at the truck, we have four 14mm bolts to hold up this little condenser bobber thing. And then we have another 2 bolts here that's gonna remove the factory intercooler. And then we'll get down here and take these boots off, remove this intercooler, and put this nice big honking one in. It's way bigger than the factory run, so it should get a lot better airflow to the truck. Tyler was built specifically for moments like these. If you get it, you get it. Camo. All right, on your old intercooler, you're gonna have some factory mounting points here. You need to take those little collars out and then transfer them on to the new intercooler. And then we decided we put the coupler on first on the pipe side, and then we fitted the intercooler itself onto the 3.5 side. It takes a little bit of finagling. Definitely have somebody else there to help you, but like I said, transfer these over, and then we'll mount these bad boys up, get these boots nice and tight, and then we're one step closer to being done. All right, here we have the SPE Lab intercooler is mounted and secured and fastened down. All we gotta do is zip this down, zip that back on, and today's project will be a wrap. And we went back and made sure our boots are super tight, so no intercooler piping should blow off whenever we make about 20 or 30 pounds of boost. All right, that's pretty much a wrap on the install. We got everything in. Tyler's putting the filter back on the K&N intake, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So like I said, if you guys want to get some stuff from SPE Lab, Torres15 will get you 15% off the entire site. And I'll have a link down in the description as well to the 3-inch to the 3.5 inch couplers. The 3-inch is obviously for your factory boost tubes, and then the 3.5 inch is going to be for your new in tank on the intercooler itself. All right, so that's a wrap on today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys are new here, make sure you leave this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and all the links that will be down in the description to what we use. Thank you all for watching. Peace.